Yeah. Waruguma Crew in the studio, Houston, Texas. You over here recording. Waruguma Crew album coming soon. We been here for a week, man, putting in this work. We putting in the vocals, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You got Waruguma Crew, Big Cav.
She already
You
rolled.
only see Biba.
Joe Jalo, CB Banix, Tom Fanix, you know what I mean? Pendiente y alerta for this Waruguma jump off, you know what I mean? Cause I'm all up in there, you know what I mean? Hype up. Pa todas las gales, twerk that booty. Twerk that booty, girl.
Booty in the house. Yeah.
So we over here working on one of these tracks over here, man. About to do the lead vocals. Yo, Big K, let me hear a little bit of it real quick, that little intro part of it real quick before we do this little vocal part.
Abba 1, 2. Waruguma Crew. We not number 1, we number 2. We a different breed. Yes, I am.
Yeah. Waruguma Crew. Alright, that's good. That's what we're working on right now, y'all.